Alright guys, welcome back to another video. All my parts came finally, it's the weekend. They came within the week, which I'm very impressed by. And got the new pulley. Here's the pulley that I got and bent, using that as a parts tray. So first of all, so you go spring, then cap. I'm saying this for both me and maybe you're listening, Brett. Okay, that. And here's another. Yeah, ooh, that's not good either. Yeah, there's like, look, it looks like there's like rust on that, which is not good for plastic. Holy shit. Not brand new, but. Oh. See, this is. I think, okay. How can you always get like multiple text messages at one moment? It's weird.
And like group chat things.
Oof, I did not take. This is not bad. I mean, it's not good either, but I still got the kit. I'm going to replace it, so. Now, there's no springs besides this one and the cap for it. I'm going to get in this bag. Now, we're going to be pulling the transaxle in this video, or I might just do a separate video so this one's not super long, but I also might speed this up and after doing, but alright, hold on, just 1 second. I just wanted to open up the bag and so, okay. Here we go. Whoa, here's a jumble of parts. Here's that little cap I was talking about. Cap and the spring. Your pumping spring with like 5 others and tailed in it.
Good thing this is.
I don't know what those go to.
Very clean.
There's another spring. Okay, well you're on video, so you said that. Yep. Yep. Okay, nice new spring and a nice new cap. Just I bought this and I intend to use every part.
Like I can see original paint on here.
Yeah. I'm gonna clean up this a bit though. Yeah. I'm gonna go outside and spray this quickly. Should I pause the video, do you think?
Yeah.
Pause the video, go spray this. Here's a little before. Alright, I'm back. Did that. Actually, I'm gonna crack the garage door a little bit, just so we have more light. Supposed to get the gas smell out.
Oh yeah.
It's not gonna be blinding on the video, I hope. No. Much better. Garage door's just cracked, you know. So, okay. We're gonna put the other side together first. The nice thing is it almost always only goes on one way. Gosh. If you look. So.
Poke myself. Screw here.
Let's put it on the right side. Okay, I'm pretty sure it goes diaphragm and this. That seems right to me. Then that makes a seal with the metal. Okay, and then the diaphragm. Nice new one. I should say. Or do I? I can't tell. Hold on. There. Oh, I did have it on upside down. Yeah, I'm smart. I promise I have a brain somewhere. I just sometimes have to find it. Yeah, this might not be the most entertaining video, but trust me, there will be entertaining moments at some point. There usually is. wait, this isn't very clean. Wherever the rust part of this came from, to be honest. I don't remember what side that exactly goes on. I don't know why they screws either. Oh, okay. I remember now. Yeah. And I should put that on last. This is a minute of figuring this out. I might just edit this part out. Where's this?
Speed up the video. Speed up the video.
Right here? Yeah.
So make sure you're in. Yeah, you're in. So I move the camera a little bit so you should be in rather than just me.
Ah, this is the part where I'm gonna actually put it on, so. I could paint this, I'm not gonna. That's not right. That's not right at all. Hold on, I am confused as shit. Oh, I have this cover on upside down. That's the problem. So then would that be right? No, I'm gonna say that's right because it follows all the pattern in there.
I say this side is pretty good.
Good.
That's what it used to look like. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now I can tell which one's the new one and which one's the old one. It's nice.
I mean, I could get under, do whatever, but.
Underwear?
Yes.
Under the mower? Why? Do what?
Clean.
Ah. Now this part is difficult.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna clean this now. No.
That doesn't need cleaning.
Brush this off here.
No, do that. Don't do that when it's sitting like that. Do that when it's put back
Yes,
together.
yes, then do this here.
Yeah, you can clean that now.
Up there first.
You're not blocking the camera.
I'll turn the camera on, otherwise
Gently put that in. I hope that spring should have stayed. I'm gentle with it. So putting this back together, I'm always gentle with everything. Doesn't matter if this is my mower. I'm never getting rid of, but you know. Now I'm just rebuilding the fuel pump first, and then I'm gonna do the bowl. Now that the garage door is open, I can actually, let it vent out. Parking brake's on. Yeah. Yeah, it's not very nice for spring. It's not. It's only like 28 out today.
Still very cold.
Yeah, it is very cold. Spring. I mean, even though we put up with colder shit than this in the winter, but I'll have to readjust the idle mixture screw and the idle speed probably once I get this car ready to go. That I tightened that so damn hard. I have a bigger screwdriver. There it is. This is the big boy. This is the DFS big effing screwdriver.
Can I spray right here? Would this be good? They put a spray there.
Yeah, it's not gonna hurt anything. Because that area is disgusting. Actually, even if you wanted to clean up this pipe, that's where the oil goes.
Oh yeah.
It's for the drain, so I mean, if you clean that up, that's just one less thing likely to get in the way of the oil.
Oh. Ugh.
not as easy changing the oil on this mower as it is like a John Deere, because those you just pretty much flip open the hood and you're done. Flip open the hood, take off that drain. I learned something valuable. Don't change oil in the wind, because then you get hot oil on your leg. Ask me how I know. How do you know? So that had to happen to me, because Grandpa wasn't thinking. Okay. All right. Well, on the day we did it, he's usually pretty good about stuff like that. But now, I think that's a spark plug wrench size, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just see here. Nope, way smaller than that. Alright. Try a 15. 16. Alright, so 16. And you put a bin underneath it and drain it. So, oh, there's all those bits from the fuel tank in there, isn't there? Step outside for a minute. Shit, biscuits. Hey, we're 11 minutes in already. Wow. How much do you want to bet there's gonna be water in the gas? There was a lot of water the last time I took this apart. It was also the first time I took this apart. Oh, and it was nasty. Man, ain't lying. It was disgusting. It was fucking white. I don't like draining that because it doesn't all go in the bucket. Okay, that was pretty damn. That's pretty clean in here. Yep, there's water. There was water. Yep. Okay, see those couple bubbles at the tank there?
Yeah.
That's water. I'm gonna make sure the camera can see because I didn't really do a good job showing up my last video.
Oh, look at this. Look at here.
Right there.
Look at here, Gavin. You told me to clean this pipe. That's what I'm doing.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, it feels so disgusting.
Yeah, it is disgusting. I'm gonna dump this quick. I've completely drained the tank, I've completely drained the fuel filter, I've completely drained everything. So there is no water in the system. Or there won't be, for sure. We're not saving any trees today, I'll tell you that much.
Yep.
A lot of paper towels. Alright, I'm just gonna kind of clean this up a bit.
That's one disgusting pipe.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Oh, it's so fucking gunky.
I remember cleaning this thing when it
Bits of whatever just fell out of it. Fell off of it.
Yep, bits of grime. That's all you can call it, is grime.
That's disgusting. But it's still a bit usable, so.
Oh, holy shit, there's that much gas that can use right out. That's impressive. Don't mind that. Now, I'm gonna get some. Oh, yeah, I broke that screw off, that's right. So, just remember doing that, it was a dumb moment.
This right here, this grime doesn't want to come off.
How come you don't want to go on? You must be a little bitch, don't you? Yeah, I'm glad that there was water in there, actually, because that means that me draining that had some effect on how this thing's gonna run. This thing is gonna fire right the fuck up every time now, without the pair of pliers. I guess I've only done one running video on this thing, and that was after I fixed the solenoid. So trust me, I'll be mowing videos and stuff with this.
Damn.
Okay, we got a flathead screwdriver here. Kind of. Oh my god.
This is black.
Oh, that's definitely being shown to the camera. Alright.
Black.
Should you maybe be using something else besides a
Toothbrush.
or screwdriver? Screwdriver for what I'm doing?
Oh.
Oh, toothbrush is perfect for that.
mean,
Look at that bit of gasket I just got off. That's stuff that's not gonna.
I mean, I could do something to get a bit more of the grime. That's the tire spaces.
I need the garbage can. That's all. This damn chair.
Yeah, right now I'm not really focusing on cleaning it. I'm just focusing on wiping all the grime and getting all the gunk out.
Yeah.
Still cleaning it. I mean, like, I'm
That's-
focusing
that's-
on putting Windex down.
It's part of the process of cleaning.
to make it shiny. I'm not trying to make it shiny. I'm just trying to clean it.
Plus, you don't. I mean, I'm gonna be honest. You don't even see that. Oh shit! There's still some of the ethanol crap. Looks like it. I guess it's water. This float bowl's not perfect. The only way to get it perfect is to take this all apart, but
Yeah,
that's
that's
such a pain.
that's me just doing this right here.
Has to do. Yeah. Looks really good.
Oh, some paint just fell off.
It's okay. It's all right.
I mean, it's just like on this, there's already paint gone on it.
I'm being very gentle with this screwdriver. So I don't want to see a comment going, "Hey, don't use a screwdriver." It's okay. It's all right. Don't worry about it.
Oh, that's just
No, some shit down here.
that's just nauseating to look at. Well, I'm still looking at it. I don't know.
Uber gentle. 'Cause I got multiple new gaskets, so I, want them to seal properly. I usually reuse gaskets on like push mowers and stuff that I'm flipping because I don't really want to spend the money. I'm gonna get top dollar, So even if I have to spend 39 cents for a gasket, well, I don't really want to. It's 39 cents I'm not making. I mean, it's not making. It's not a bad thing. But if like it's leaking and I have to change a gasket, I will. But if it looks like, it could leak, I always try it out. And if it leaks, then okay. But I haven't actually had that happen yet, to be honest. Just on my Toro push mower. Yeah, I mean, this is not gonna be the most entertaining. I might just kind of stop it. Ooh, hey, it looks like paint. Look at this shit.
Yeah, it's gotta record all this.
It's like that. I almost want to pull this carburetor off and just fucking just hose it in carb clean.
I'm gonna go rinse this toothbrush off.
Could just pull it outside too. That's what I should do. This is the detailiest teedy work, but you know what? It's absolutely fucking worth it. I don't even know how you go about getting this thing off. Oh. Is it just 2 screws? And then there's a... Well, that one back there is going to suck to get to. Plus there's a thing on it. I don't really want to take that off, so I'm not gonna. I would say that's pretty darn good. Ugh. The door's open. Yeah, door's open. I'm gonna be smart about this. Use this rag to kind of cover it, and then I'm gonna soak all this up, and then we'll be done. Okay.
Yeah, I got this a bit more clean, but still.
It's gonna be ripe in here, boy.
I'm gonna be hearing colors and smelling things.
It's not really that bad, to be
Oh,
honest.
and smelling sights.
I don't know why I put this plug back on. That's actually a pretty good thing I did.
Yep, that needs Windex.
Brake clean, or carb clean sucks a lot more to leak than gas. Gas, nah. Carb clean, yeesh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Slow grip? No.
Whoops. Yeah, that's not what I want to do. Good, I even got those particles out. That was my goal. Yummy. Ah. "20 minutes. Now, it comes with all this other stuff. I don't know what that foam thing's for, to be honest. I don't see a need in replacing any of that. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm not gonna. There's some parts I'm not gonna use. But, you know, I flip mowers and stuff. Like, this is only if you take it all apart. I mean, I could just to replace that gasket, but I don't really want.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is oddly disgusting and satisfying.
Now, we should just do this.
This is disgusting and satisfying at the same time.
Yep.
Satisfying is going to walk you all the time. Just get away and seeing it be a lot more clean.
A grime getaway.
Yep.
Good description.
Title of the video. Or
It's gonna be Murray Restoration Part 4.
Description of the video.
Part 5, I don't know what we're on.
In the description.
Either Part 4 or Part 5.
I'm pretty sure it's part 5.
I'll have to look at my other videos I'm taking before I post it. Edit it and post it. Okay. That's pretty clean. I'm not going to keep obsessing on that. Now, there's this little instruction card somewhere. It's funny, a carb kit comes with more instructions than the steering assembly, which is very confusing to me, but, you know, whatever. Okay, there's this. It says, use carburetor body gasket that matches original. Whatever. It's not. It's it.
Yum.
Yummy that looks.
I brush my teeth with this every day.
Whoa. There's a lot in here. Imagine none of these fit. That one. Oh wait, no. Hold on.
I had a toothpick that could go on this clean.
Oh wait, here's the. I gotta pull this apart. That's why. Because the gasket's on the carb assembly. Or boat, I mean. This is the carb assembly. The whole damn thing. I stick a pair of needle nose pliers. Slide that out. It doesn't lock that up for some reason. Trago. It's annoying with that stuff rolling around. I know. But okay. Now, this is the gasket. Oh shit, that means I gotta pull that up too. This gasket is not perfect. I didn't take it off last time because maybe I didn't. Okay, there is grime and shit in there. So, I think I'm gonna go spray that. It doesn't look super clean.
The Murray Restoration number 5. Number 5, the grime getaway.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm just gonna spray this. So, I'll enjoy, you guys can just enjoy him cleaning that, I guess. Or I'll pause it. There won't be much talking. Okay, I'm back after cleaning that off. I just sprayed the whole thing, like the entire body. So I shouldn't even have to really scrape much. I should just pretty much be able to take a paper towel, go along and get the carburetor goo off. Yeah. Also clean up the outside too. Just douse this shit. Yeah, I swore okay. Whatever. Some swords. We'll let that go. But look at that. Now, I just gotta find out which one of those matches the original. So here's the original. Now, which one matches it?
Looks like you just stuck this in mud.
Oh, I think first go, I found a match. Wait a minute. That's sideways. That's sideways. Okay. Find this one. This one is the same. Yep. See that? Everything matches up. So there you go. Now this, I believe, this is just universal. This one should fit. Yep. I even got a new gasket for the top too. That's nice. That's so nice. This is why you get Briggs and Stratton stuff. Briggs and Stratton's such a nice company. Make sure this is the one that matches. Just double check. It's not. Oh shit, what do I do with the one that does? Oh, it's here. Okay, that's the old one.
Oh, put my arm in some shit.
Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm actually that.
Floor's wet.
Yeah, probably with free clean or carb clean or it's carb clean. That's the word. It's either carb clean or something else. It's always good if the gasket fits a little bit tight. Shouldn't have to push it on hard. It should fit nice and tight, and this one does. So, okay. Yeah. So if I ever have a needle and seat leaking problem, this one looks very good. Tip is nice and sharp.
Yeah, if I had a toothpick, I'd be able to clean a lot more of this.
Okay.
I even just a tiny screwdriver. Go get.
Let's get it from my toolbox. It's right there, if you didn't realize that.
Yeah, I know.
Told you here. Should have a small handle.
This right here.
Sure, use it. Yeah. Is it a flathead though?
Yep, flathead. See?
Good. You want a flathead? It's best for cleaning.
Look. See?
Nice.
This one.
This is a total bugger to do. I hate putting neat or
Let's
the rough
fix
in.
this camera angle for you. So, because it's your video. Your channel. I don't want to be the main attraction.
Oh, sure, you can be the main attraction in action.
Nah.
You need a second attraction in action, though.
Ooh.
Come on.
Ooh, yeah, that looks great.
Got it. Okay. Got the rocker arm in. Got that gasket on. A little bit of oxidation on there, but make sure needle and seat moves. It does. Now the nice thing I like about opposed twins is, well, the engine, I guess. Is that you don't have to take the carb off to do all that. I just did that without even taking the carb off the engine. All right. Gotta put the screw back in. I was an idiot last year when I took the carb apart to clean it to get it running. Didn't have a carb reload kit. Told myself I'd do that this year. Oh wait, I'm gonna put this in because I'm thinking about it. I ran many tanks of gas through this thing since I cleaned it, so thought we'd be good, but I found water, so it's like you never know what you're gonna find. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to get everything done today, but if I can get the carb done, and then I'm gonna do a separate video. I'm gonna do a part 6 on pulling the transaxle because that doesn't fall on in this video. So I must yeah. Double check sure I am still recording because sometimes it cuts out. No, we're going. All right.
The black paint's just falling off over here.
What, on the engine?
Yeah. Because all the dirt and grime.
Mm-hmm. It's okay.
Takes it with it.
That's okay. Hey, I'm not gonna be angry about that because you know what? Oh shit, I have to get out.
I'm scraping extremely lightly and it's all just falling off. everything. All the dirt, all the cakey mud stuff. Sometimes the paint just goes along with it.
Yep. Oh wait, is that a 9? No, it's an 11.
So now you can just see the
Oh wait.
metal.
It's gonna be.
The shiny silver. Shiny silver.
That's good. I mean, you want to see that on an engine. I mean, you pop the hood, you see in a clean engine on a mower. You know, that's this old. That shows you what to take care of. Or clean at least. Now, I am not going to go fast. I'm going to go nice and slow with this. I'm not even going to. Yes, it is really that hard to put on. I'm not kidding. That screw sucks. I'm just going to use a screwdriver for that. I'm going to switch over to a ratchet to do that back one.
What brick is this?
Mud?
Yeah, it's kind of like stuck on.
Or is that a tire plug? Wouldn't be a tire plug. Here.
Fuzzy.
That's a tire plug. Pretty sure. It's not coming out. Wait.
Oh, there goes the phone.
That's the tire that I had.
I'm not gonna pick up your phone.
Oh, yeah.
I know gloves are disgusting.
I'll edit that part out. It's a pretty good angle.
Yep.
This one might not
That's
get.
the funny part. Just keep it falling, but then edit it out, picking it back up. Yeah.
Okay, they all have washers. I'm sure of that. Let's start with this one. Go to this one.
Put paper towel for my arm, because why not? It's comfier.
And this back one's a pig. I'm not even gonna try. I'm just gonna get a ratchet here. Just do it because it's. I'm not gonna strip it out. That will not happen. If it happens, or if I mean break it, I'm not gonna break it. Nope, that's loosened. I'm dumb. I'm calling it there. I'm not moving it again.
Whoa.
Anymore, and I'm afraid it's gonna break. Yep. Done. Now, for this screw. Yeah, look at that. Look at the niceness between those two. Floppy, stiff. That's the only time you want a gasket to be stiff.
Oh, Gavin.
What?
Here, take it. That was on the by the screw.
That's just a broken part of a hose clamp. Don't need that. It fell out. I think this is the same gasket. Better be. Oh, there's just stuff in that one. There, that's a little bit better. Oh. It's actually a difference. Nothing. Ah.
Yep, doing some fine details. Ooh, I should get up here.
Does it go there? set these aside. I don't know exactly what to do with them. Yeah, this is a $50 parts tray now, pretty much. Because I had to fuck it up last year because I'm dumb. Brett, did you want to clean this? No, not this, this. But so I had it like this and I put it all back together. I wouldn't have to worry about anything getting down in the engine.
What would I clean it with?
Windex, all this, down there. I mean, you don't have to, that's because you're not going to see it.
Well, I mean, it'd just be nice if you mix it.
I'm going to put it on, I'm just going to put it back together. It's easier. Really appreciate the cleaning you've done.
Yeah, even though a bit of paint's gonna fall because I'm using a screwdriver and my edge is gonna scrape off a little bit, but
As long as it's not like the nice paint that I just put on.
No, it's just gonna be, it's just on the engine.
Oh, that's high temp paint anyhow. Which I'm not gonna repaint the engine, just not.
I mean, it's like it's already falling off. Like you know, see, it's
I should almost just
scaling. You know, scales.
Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put a nice little clamp on this. So this is garbage. It's not worth nothing. I don't care what you think. If they're old, they're not worth anything. Holy schnaz, I'm down to one. Clamp after this. I didn't think I'd run out of those clamps, but I didn't realize how much I actually need them.
Toothbrush.
Make this a little easier for me. Just take this down a bit. I'm taking those safety glasses off. Those are getting annoying.
I don't know why you're wearing them.
Well, because when I took the clamps and stuff off, and I was outside spraying with carb clean, so.
Yeah, but otherwise there's no point.
Yeah. Now that I'm done with that, that's what I mainly do. Now this is the pumping hose, so pretty damn important that that's
Oh,
in
is
there.
that a mouse nest?
Where? Let me see. Could be.
Probably is.
Well,
Looks like it.
that is going to be a pain in the arsenal to clean off. So,
Well,
just going to make sure that all this stuff related to the pumping
I
of it.
mean, if it's not clean, you could catch a flame, dude.
If wiring ran through the engine without, I don't. It's Brett. I don't even know how to get that part off. That's not this shroud. If it was this shroud, I'd just rip the shroud off and clean it. But
Missing bolt there.
well, it doesn't really matter because it's on there just good enough.
I was doing my paper towel.
What the hell did I do with the pliers? The actual pliers, not the neon pliers. I have a feeling that that was also not good, along with everything else. Make that nice. Ooh. Because this hose clamp actually does go on quite all right. These hose clamps I hate though because they just don't tighten down very hard, but it's okay. Alright. Now for this gasket. This part. End up wrecking that gasket or something. Trying to get this thing back in. Okay, so now every gasket is going to seal nice. Alright, I shouldn't have to think about it. Nothing should leak. Now, put the gaskets, I cleaned up everything. Oh, when I say everything, I mean most things. Most things got cleaned up. This doesn't need to be on super tight. It's about as tight as it should be. I have the one that came off of this. I got that from a parts mower that I got an engine shroud from. And the weather stripping for the seat.
Alright,
So let me just exchange that for the new one.
get all this shit out of the
Did
pulley.
it.
Get all this grime out of the pulley that fell in.
My hope is that this won't run on, or won't need to run on choke the whole time, and I can actually turn off choke and run okay. Run just perfect. Well, actually, that's a really easy part to change out. So you know what? I'm gonna put the rest of this together.
Alright, this is a lot cleaner.
So this.
A lot more clean.
Could clean that, yeah, I know, but you don't see that, so.
I mean, you don't totally see what I'm cleaning right now, but
That's still a good peace of mind to have all that clean, because think about it.
look what's all on the ground now.
Yep.
Look at the toothbrush.
Oh, yeah.
Blackened out is perfect looking.
There actually really isn't much to edit out, so I'm just gonna post the video the way it is. So this will be my one unedited video in this whole series.
Still post, or still edit a little bit.
No, I mean, I don't really, I don't know. I kind of just don't want to.
Don't be lazy.
Okay. That's not the way.
Come on, Gavin, don't be lazy.
Well, more of like, I have more stuff I want to record. I don't want to have to delete stuff permanently and wait for Google Photos to back up or whatever. 10 hours. So, I don't know. I always want these like that, then I know they're nice and tight. Hey, old pulley out of the way. All right, I'll do the outro because we're pretty much done. So, all right, there you go. Cleaning the Murray. I don't know if it was good shots or not. Sorry if it wasn't. It was an alright video. Oh, here. Is that? I told you to get cleaned up. Shut that light. Told you that that would get cleaned up. Okay, I do actually have to cut those two parts together. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.